How to log in to Facebook Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Facebook's Messenger. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, simply hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing you will need to do is make sure you have the Messenger app. If you do not have it, you can easily get this from the Google Play Store or App Store. After you get to your app, just open it up and you will see an option to log in. Now I already have an account in my Messenger, so I'll simply add an account. After you open up your Messenger, you will see an option where you can add your mobile number and your password. So simply type in your email here and then your password. After you do that, you will get the login option. Simply tap on login, and if you have forgotten your password, there is an option to tap on forgot password to recover it. After you've done all of that, tap on login and you should get logged into your account just fine. And yeah, it's that simple. Just wait for it to load and you're good to go. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye, take care.